I don't know about you, but my favorite day is the one that plans on being really boring but ends up being a blast. Today's day 59 of this project, and originally I was planning on spending the day at home, but then my friend texted me asking to hang out. Us and two other friends drove out east to a thrift store where I got a fire hat, followed by some Krispy Kreme and chilling at Guitar Center. Afterwards, we grabbed dinner at Lil John's Cafe, where the nachos we ate were incredible and ones I would definitely recommend, before ending the night with some scenery up on our hill. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you later.